Pancit Bihon. Two ways. One is the traditional and one is the extra special like fiesta.
The traditional version and the fiesta one. Make your own. And the best time of the recipe, the testing. And we have
The fiesta.
Fiesta 1. The Fiesta. And we have
The fiesta version. Much better.
special ingredients of today. We have 3. The first one is the chayote or sayote in Filipino. Is this beautiful product, family of the curd, like the squash, the cucumber. The taste is in between a zucchini and a cucumber. Can be used in salad, can be used in a soup, can be used, in this case, for our pancit. I cook the spaghetti, you cook this, yeah?
Spaghetti Canton.
And we have a squid ball. This kind of mini fish or squid meatball actually are made by minced squid. Sometimes they mix with fish, with some surimi, MSG as a flavor, some starch to bind a white egg. But
Bo.
And the number 3, actually, we have the kwek ball or kwek in Filipino. Typical street food are boiled quail eggs deep fry. Spaghetti, Filipino spaghetti. And add on to our Filipino dry store. Pancit Bihon, Mamacita brand. Important for this recipe. Of course, everybody have the classic, the soya sauce and the vinegar, but we have more. Patis, same brand, Datu Putu, very important. Toyomansi, addition of today, it's a soya sauce mixed with calamansi. Our Tsukangi Loco, that is a different vinegar, came from sugar cane. And calamansi extract, really powerful. If you don't find a fresh calamansi, it's a good substitute. And of course, our noodle in 2 types. The classic, the Bihon rice noodle, and the Pancit Canton flour noodle. I cook the spaghetti, you cook this. We will do both. And of course, salt and pepper, if necessary. Very important, very nice.
For the...
And welcome to our channel.
Please comment, like, share, and subscribe.
And that's it.
For the ingredients, cabbage, green beans, celery, pork belly, onion, prawn or shrimp, sayote or chayote, kikiam and squid balls, pancit bihon mix, red bell pepper, garlic, carrots, datu puti patis or fish sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce.
And of course, salt and pepper if necessary, and your noodles. In the traditional version of the pancit, super simple, peasant cuisine Filipino style, you just use garlic, onion, carrots, the cabbage, and most of the time is chicken and prawns together. That's it. Of course, for the traditional, they use the rice noodle. There are a lot of other different versions. Actually, you can do whatever you want. We will do
2 ways.
one with the Pancit Canton, these flour noodles, a little bit bigger. We add extra vegetable, we add extra fish in terms of flavor. We skip the chicken, we use pork belly. We do a lot.
For the steps, it's very easy.
Right. Super easy origin because the name and the dish itself come from Chinese influence.
And the concept of noodles is of course from Chinese because Filipinos love rice.
The name in particular comes from the Chinese phrase
Pian isit or pian isit means conveniently cooked or fast food.
and Filipino, of course, adopt the dish and Filipino-zite the dish itself.
Because anywhere in the Philippines, cafeteria, or any restaurants, you can easily order the pancit and it will just come to you in 15 minutes. The pancit is always, it's a must in the birthdays, fiestas, weddings, baptismal, anything, because pancit is actually means longevity, and even in Chinese culture, symbolize long life.
There are a lot of different kind and variety.
Of course, we do not have only one kind of pancit. We actually made on this video 2 types. So it's the Pancit Canton and Pancit Bihon. So aside from the 2 of them, we also have Pancit Palabok. It's a different color of sauce. It's a yellowish one. We can do it later. Just let us know. Comment down below. Pancit Habhab. It's from Lukban. It's a different province. And also we have Pancit Luglug. And it's from Pampanga. From my region. Bo! And aside from those, of course, there's also Pancit Malabon. So it's a thick noodles with a shrimp sauce and mostly seafood. And that's it.
And that is Chef Luca. This is Life on Full Flavor.
And this is Chef Eileen.
Please share, like, comment, of course, for another recipe if you want, and subscribe. And comment down below, guys, please. We will not follow any recipe, we do Filipino way, more or less.
For the steps, it's very easy.
Extremely simple recipe, just follow those steps.
So for the proteins, you just have to stir fry until golden brown and then set aside. Next would be with the base of onion and garlic. Cook the vegetables and then set aside half of it because we're gonna need the rest or the half of it at the end. And then add the liquid or the vegetable or chicken stocks. Then put the noodles. And that's it.
And that's it.
And that's it.
And the best time of the recipe, the testing. What was? Ah, look at that. Actually, very nice. I like it. And the fiesta party. More rich, more vegetable, more fish, more everything. Our squid ball. Look at that. Much better. It's the pork, the squid ball, all the vegetable. The flavor is more intense. You like it more?
Yes.
I love it. Do the fiesta version, but the traditional is still good. Very nice.
So try the two version and let us know on the comment below which one you love.
The fiesta, guys!
Make your own!
And that's it.
And that's it.